This is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Modipe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns for Barbados Swallows North. My brother, what is your name? Where do you come from?
Filippo Dabil from Eswatini.
Swatini. How do you feel about the game tonight?
No, it was fair. It was fair. Sometimes we are growing up.
Yeah.
We are getting something out of Sundowns, you know. So I'm not ashamed and what feelings about the fact that Sundowns beat us. Yeah. But we come back.
Oh, you come back. So do you think in the next
Come back.
Yeah.
No, back
When are you gonna come back next year, or are you saying in the next game?
next game we are coming back here.
Yeah.
So what I mean is that we are coming back.
And you're gonna beat them.
Period.
Thank you very much. He says he's gonna beat you, my brother. How do you feel about the game tonight?
My name is Kizwane from Julian Branch.
Yeah.
Sundowns always we start slowly.
Yeah.
MTN 8. We have a history with MTN 8.
Yeah,
but
it's a Hulu Cup.
now it's CAF now. No?
Yeah.
CAF. We
Yeah.
take it serious.
Yeah.
CAF and League.
Yeah.
We take it serious.
I gotta know you won the second star.
Yes.
One star.
Yeah.
Second star.
It's our mandate.
Yeah.
Watch us Tuesday Super Sport. We see the Sundowns.
Are you gonna beat Sundowns on Super Sport on Tuesday?
We'll beat Super Sport.
Yeah, score. But your team has been struggling in the PSL.
As you know,
With goals, with
formation. We are starting. We are playing crocodile.
Yeah.
But football.
Solo Cameroon, it's crocodile.
Yes, crocodile now.
Yeah.
We are starting slowly. Crocodile
Yeah.
is slowly
But the
outside.
but
But when is the water?
It's fast.
They are fast.
Yeah, but you're not playing inside the water here. You're playing outside.
Wait, yes.
Why did you score many goals?
Oh, for this game.
You must score at least 2 games.
No.
Goals.
You want to send them a message?
Yeah.
Send them a tweet.
Yeah.